welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Just another beautiful fall morning in the Denver metro. And we got the Mustang. We got more progress done, more things to do. Very excited because this project is coming very close to being done. Drew has been helping me absolutely annihilate this project. Today I need to make some more progress on this. I need to get this mirror out, I need to get this door handle out, and do some little small projects to get him ready for the next go round. Most of the interior is installed. Need that door card, the headliner, and the trim pieces that hold it in, and some other small stuff on the interior. But the interior is not going to be done until the car is wrapped. The antenna needs to get done, and then the door handles and stuff, the mirrors, all need to come out. So this has to be taken apart. It gets worse before it gets better, I guess. But he's absolutely been killing the wrap, and I'm super grateful. Super great work. It's coming together, and I'm so excited. All right, I've been working on this car for a little bit. It's nice and warm. Beautiful Colorado fall. It is so nice outside. The car is at an incredible stage. Drew has helped me wrap so much of it. The trunk, quarter panel, the door, the fender. The hood is painted. I really like this hood, but I can't decide if I want to do something carbon or something. But for now, this is perfect. Are you kidding me? And then the fender, this quarter panel, and this door, I just got disassembled. I'm gonna go over here for a second. I was having trouble with this door because the door handle, I wrapped the door handle myself. Drew did not do that. So if it looks crappy on the door handle, it's because I did it. And when taking this door handle out was a big pain in the butt, but the other side actually went so much easier. And not only that, but it doesn't shut. So there's a safety mechanism where it doesn't shut when the door handle's out. And then the mirror, you get through there, and then that hole, and then one more right there. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but it went by, and it is now done. So what is going on, guys? It's a couple days later. I am driving home from work right now, and I'm going to pick up a trailer because tomorrow the car goes into a local speed shop to get some things done to it. Big deal. A lot's happening. They're just gonna check over all my work and make sure everything is functioning as designed. And then after that happens, the car should be pretty much good. So we're gonna go pick up a trailer tonight, try to wrap a little bit more, and then load it up and get on its way to the shop tomorrow. What is going on, everyone? It's a couple days later. I have to come clean with you guys. There's some very unfortunate news about the Mustang build. So the plan for the car has been patchy and very slow. However, there has been more progress made in a shorter amount of time than I could have ever had hoped. I bought the car back in early June, and I had planned to get it done by Christmas time on a good schedule. And I was very ahead of schedule, great on time, and the car was going absolutely beautifully until this hiccup. Now, for those of you that don't know, I bought this Mustang and hoped to get it all fixed up and wanted to go autocross it next year because that's what the car's sole purpose was to do in the beginning. I bought it for a good deal, and I had priced out everything I needed for the car and had made it very reasonable for me to do. This car had this shop had a minor incident with the car. So I don't know the details. I don't want to say anything in protection of the company, but as of now, we took a couple steps back and the car was in a minor wreck, and now we have to go forward. So this is a huge bummer to me because I haven't even driven this car yet. Obviously, accidents happen when you're on the job. Accidents happen when you're a shop owner. These things are normal. However, now, as unfortunate as this is, I'm in understanding of the shop owner and the tech, and it's a stressful situation. Now, as far as I know, they're all respectful with the car, they were respectful with me, and I'm very satisfied with my service. But it is very disappointing that only a very few people have driven this car, and it's not on a good track record as of now. So I'm disappointed. I haven't even got to drive the car yet, and it's already undergone its second accident. So this is good news, is the car still was uninsured and untitled just as it was when I bought it, meaning nothing is on the record for the car, still clean record, which is awesome for me. But it is just very unfortunate event how this happened at this point in time, with the progress that we've already taken on and completed, and it happened to the good side of the car. Who would have thought? So just another thing for the story of the car. It is crazy, it is unfortunate, but I thought I'd share that with you guys because, as you guys can expect, I don't have the car here right now. It is still at the shop. I haven't heard from them in a while. It's kind of stressing me out. It's kind of nerve-wracking, but I'm ready to get the car back. It has been looking good when I've been there and looked at the car, but like I said, just very unfortunate events. And if I could say so myself, this is like the worst nightmare for taking your car somewhere else to get worked on. So right now, main worry is to get that car done. Once that car's done and back, I'll run over all the damage that happened with the car. As you guys see that roll of vinyl there, we are almost done wrapping it. And huge shout out to Drew once again. We're gonna finish off this roll, maybe add another one, get this car done. So very exciting, a lot to look forward to, but that is the current state of the Mustang. If you guys like, please smash the like button, please subscribe, help me grow the channel and achieve some dreams. So stay tuned for the next video, get the Mustang back soon, and hopefully we can hopefully we get it back soon. So that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
But now you're out of time.